Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable location tracking on your Android device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up our settings menu. However you normally access it on your phone is fine. And now underneath personal, you want to left click on location. And now up at the top there should be something that says on, and if it says in the toggle position it is on in here, you want to left click inside this oval one time to turn it off, and once you've done that you're pretty much good to go. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.